Part 2. Causes of the destruction of powerful civilizations. Question: why is the lifetime of civilizations limited? Answer: this is an interesting question. This is connected with some kind of karmic chains. Between the time of the existence of civilizations, the period on the planet is usually 30,000 to 80,000 years, depending on the factor that destroyed civilization. And this period between civilizations is awful. These are very low living conditions in terms of comfort. These are constant threats from the point of view of war, raids. Medicine, education are at or near zero. Even now, for our civilization, the level of medicine and education is also very low compared to developed civilizations. But the level of comfort is already much higher than between civilizations, hot water, transport, etc. Karmic chains of civilizations. There is an egregor of the black race, Lemurian times. The egregor of black humanity is thoroughly damaged. The mental outflow is about 70%. This egregor has its own karmic chains, including the death of civilization of 20 units. You can also select the egregor of the white race. It also has a chain, the death of civilization, 15 units. It sets almost guaranteed death. The karmic chain, the death of civilization, is as well at the level of galactic humanity, 20 units. The death of a developed civilization, as a technical level, is at the level of some system of some kind, which includes our galaxy. And the death of civilization at the level of 8 units is in the egregor of the universe of mankind. If we talk about the humanoid, there is also a chain of the death of civilization, 20 units. If you take a group of warm-blooded, there is no the death of civilization chain. But there is a chain of disease. In addition, humanity has a complex collision with the divine plans which causes collisions with subtle structures. And this is not to mention the karma of the countries. Because the karma of some countries is. This can be traced by the standard of living and by what happens in the country, frequency of death, war, the level of comfort of citizens are bright indicators of karma. Accordingly, this all affects the number of incarnations carried out in the period between civilizations. That is why most of the incarnations of people on Earth pass without civilizations. Even if you are born the leader of a tribe, it does not greatly improve the situation. Neither the level of comfort nor medicine nor education. Even if you are a count or king of a country. These figures do not change much. On average, the civilization lifespan of humanoid races on Earth is about 30,000 years. There are also a number of other factors, but we do not have the right to speak about some of them. More information in the book Karma and Luck. And also you can order personal diagnostics, Karma Map. Article: Karma and Amphibians. There is a curious observation. Karma is strongly gained if you do harm to amphibians, snakes, turtles, lizards, etc. For other animals, this is not so strongly manifested. If any animal is offended, then negative karma stands out in all frequency ranges. And this mechanism exists both up, in the higher plane, and down. All creatures are subject to this mechanism, including the gods, and the gods of the gods are affected by this mechanism. This mechanism regulates the evolutionary processes, the development of life in this reality fan. This mechanism is millions of years old. For the humans, when any living creature is damaged, karma is adjusted at the frequency of Ajna chakra range. But for some creatures karma stands out more at the wider range. This happens towards turtles, snakes, lizards and some kind of insect, it seems like mantises. In some civilizations, these creatures may be super intelligent species, which imposes restrictions on protection in other systems. This suggests that karma was adjusted to the interests associated with it. If doing harm to humans, the karma energy is allocated mainly around Ajna chakra range. But for these creatures, for example, if you are making the turtle soup, the karma energy drops into the Ajna chakra and plus another 5 higher ranges of energy applies. If somebody is doing some dark magic, throwing magical blows on someone, then this is karmically punishable. This person gets the energy punishments from the several systems at once, karma, law, luck and other systems. More information in the book Karma and Luck.